Introducing the HiBREW H14 coffee machine, your ultimate coffee brewing solution. Start by taking the coffee handle and adapter ring. Adjust the grinder to your preferred grind size. Add the appropriate amount of coffee beans into the grinder and start grinding. If you're using a double powder basket, press the grind function again to ensure you have enough grounds. Once grinding is complete, use the soft powder blowing function to discharge the remaining coffee powder into the powder dispenser. Press the powder with the tamper to ensure an even distribution. Next, turn on the steam function. Prepare an appropriate amount of refrigerated whole milk and drain any residual water from the steam wand in advance. Froth the milk and clean the steam wand immediately after use to maintain hygiene and performance. Now, start extracting your coffee. The HiBREW H14 coffee machine ensures a perfect extraction every time. Enjoy your delicious coffee with the HiBREW H14 coffee machine, the perfect blend of convenience and quality.